Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more matches as Mercy in Overwatch. Always prioritize healing critical health teammates to keep them alive and in the fight. Use damage boost on heroes with high damage output or during key engagements to maximize team impact. Stay mobile and position yourself safely behind tanks or cover, maintaining line of sight for healing and escape routes. Use Guardian Angel to quickly move between teammates and evade danger, maintaining your own survivability. Use Valkyrie at strategic moments such as team pushes or to counter enemies' ultimates effectively. Resurrect fallen teammates when it will turn the tide of the battle, or when your team needs a number advantage. Be aware of enemy flankers and use teammates or environmental cover to protect yourself. Communicate with your team about and positioning based on the enemy team composition and their primary threats. Pocket high-priority teammates like DPS heroes who can significantly impact team fights when supported. Always have an escape plan in mind, using Guardian Angel and map knowledge to retreat safely when under pressure. Prioritize healing tanks in the front line to sustain pushes and prevent them from getting overwhelmed. Coordinate with other supports to maximize healing and utility, ensuring continuous team sustainability. Utilize natural cover and structures to minimize exposure to enemy fire while maintaining effective healing. Avoid using Valkyrie unnecessarily. Save it for critical moments or team fights where its impact will be greatest. Amplify damage output during teammates' ultimates to secure elimination. Predict incoming damage and preemptively heal teammates to keep them top off and ready to engagements. Support tanks during aggressive pushes or defenses, keeping them alive to create space for your team. And that's how to win more matches as Mercy in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.